Naka jing yolat ban penpau ha ying dor bar thau an gejela ya ka jing sungu ya ki nong yalam gejela ki belakhan no u MLA ka Mahoti constituency na Bhoi district uba Charles Marngar ulakran ban penpau ya ka jing sungu lem ya ka ying ka sem jong Maheh Dr. Didi Lepang ubala bam kwai hadwar ublei ubala long teng menteri rangba sorkar jela ha kisnem ki pamansyua Haka jing a jingkran jong uba Charles Marngar ulong Bahaka por ke bawah Maheh Dr. Didi Lepang u Jied ya u kumu briu u bandan hasenda jong u haki kambaro lane kumu personal assistant ulamat ya shibun ki jing sya tenju ha uti unong yalam namaru Maheh Dr. Didi Lepang ude bo benya bah ya ke jing trikam buat bo pej thu ya ke jinglong jong ki briu yano bala ban senia ulai thu ru bahaka sin ke bawah le jing le Nyngkong sya Delhi syam layu ban Shonglang ha ju ke kali ban Maheh Dr. Didi Lepang Henry uhap ban Shonglang ban ki pulit Nongpoh jong u Henry ke jing Sha ban ke jing i ke jing ang nod Maheh ula shanya ayu ban long menta kum wei na ki nong mi khmat pai ba bala yo jing hikai na u Dr. Didi Lepang ban mi khmat ya ka wei ki constituency na Bhoi district ban but ya ki dinjat rukom trekam jong Maheh Dr. Didi Lepang uba marngar ulong ro ban lengbau Maheh Dr. Didi Lepang ula yo ya ke jing hikai kumno ban tip ya ka akor ke buram ke jing Sha bat ke jing kit kli bat ki arteli ki kentin ki pau te urang ba nong yalam ke jela ujupen ken mau kilong bat ong khuble shibon bat ban nyo ya ke jing kerku uba chal semarngar ula pan pau ya ke jing du ke bakrau tang ke jing du ke ying ke sem Henry ke jela barok away kala du no ya ki nong yalam ki badon kam.
In expressing my heartfelt condolences on the passing of our beloved leaders, the loss of such great leaders is indeed profound loss to our state and to our beloved nation. To you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I convey my deepest condolences to the bearer families and pray that God grant them strength, comfort, and peace during this difficult time. Mr. Speaker, sir, please allow me to speak specifically about the precious life of a great leader of the state, Dr. Didi Lepang, whom we fondly knew as Maheh in Bhoi district. The passing of Dr. Didi Lepang is a great personal loss to me. He was my mentor and like a father to me. I can confidently say that because of him, I stand here today in this position. I used to say that myself and Ba Amiral Bonsim, we passed from the same school, which we call Dr. Didi Lepang School of Politics. Dr. Didi Lepang was a man of his word and a man of discipline. At 7 o'clock every morning, he would be in his office at his residence, dressed impeccably in three-piece suit and necktie. He was extremely punctual and never missed the time fixed for any program. In fact, he would always arrive before time. Sometime when we reached 10 or 15 minutes early, he would ask the driver to slow down so that he would not arrive too early. When he first appointed me as his personal assistant, I remember he told me, "Charles, you have to assist me on my visit to Delhi." That is the first time. But I remember he did not allow me to sit in his car. Instead, he asked me to sit in the police vehicle. After 6 months, I remember, before one of our trip to Delhi, he told me to sit with him in his car. From that time onward, I traveled with him and even both sit in the same row during flights. He did this because he wanted to train me. He believed in testing and shaping a person before promoting him. Through him, I learned discipline, patience, and responsibility. He was a leader who respected everyone. If he was invited to a program and could not attend, he would personally ensure that a letter of regret was sent on time. He never forgot to wish national and state leaders on their birthday. If ever we forgot to send greetings, he would scold me. That showed how much he valued relationship and courtesy. As Admiral has said, he was also a powerful speaker, a preacher, and a good singer. Among his most memorable sermons were The Empty Chair and Wrong Number, which touched many hearts. Mr. Speaker, sir, I remember in 2011 when he delivered a speech at an institution in Bangalore. Many students, especially those from Meghalaya, were moved to tears by his words. Above all, he taught me the importance of gratitude. One lesson I can never forget is when he would say, "Never forget to say thank you, and always count your blessing." Whenever I completed any task assigned by him, he would never fail to say, "Charles, thank you." That humility truly defined his greatness. As a public representative from Bhoi district, I will never forget what he has done in Bhoi district. Since he was first elected in the year 1972, he worked tirelessly for the poor and the needy. He was instrumental in the establishment of many institutions and organizations, including Bhoi College, the Bhoi District Sports Association, the Bhoi Dorbar, the Bhoi Youth Federation, RBYF, and the Northern College. During his tenure as Chief Minister, Bhoi was granted full-fledged district status on the 4th June 1992, an achievement that remained historic for the people of Bhoi district. Indeed, his passing is a great loss to Bhoi district and to the state as a whole. As Chief Minister, there are countless contributions he made, which I cannot fully mention due to the constraint of time. However, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to remind this House that the inauguration of the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science, NEGRIMS, took place during his chief ministership, a milestone in strengthening healthcare in our region. Today, we mourn not only a leader, but a statesman, a mentor, and a father figure. His legacy of discipline, respect, humility, and gratitude will continue to guide us. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise with deep humility and gratitude. I am not certain whether it is customary to say thank you on such a solemn occasion, but on behalf of the bereaved family and personally, having stood with him and his family for so many years, I feel it is my duty to express our heartfelt appreciation. I sincerely thank the Honorable Chief Minister, our Deputy Chief Ministers, Ministers, and also the esteemed member of this August House and the state government for the dignity, respect, and support extended during the state funerals. Your presence, your solidarity, and the honor bestowed upon him have brought great comfort to the family in this moment of profound loss. Once again, I convey my deepest condolences to his wife, Nya Ametis Lindabla, his son Baluk, and his grandchildren. May God continue to bless and comfort them in this time of sorrow. I'll miss him. I'll miss Dr. Didi Lapang, Maheh. We will miss him. Rest in eternal peace, beloved Maheh. Your light and your lessons will forever guide our district, Bhoi, and Meghalaya. With these few words, Mr. Speaker, sir, thank you so much. I resume my seat. Thank you.